Bengaluru Development Minister Krishna Byre Gowda has directed officials to register an FIR against one of his own supporters for allegedly pasting his poster on public walls without permission. GBA officer Govindappa Bajanthri filed a complaint stating that during a daily inspection, officials found paper posters illegally pasted on walls along public roads in Ward number 10, Vidyaranyapura without any official permission. According to the complaint, the posters were put up on public walls without prior permission from the Bengaluru North City Corporation. The complaint stated that the unauthorized posters damaged the beauty of the city and also forced corporation workers to unnecessarily spend time and effort to remove them. The complaint sought appropriate legal action against Shivakumar for pasting the posters without permission. Following the complaint, Bengaluru Police registered an FIR against Shivakumar, who is identified as a supporter of Minister Krishna Byre Gowda following allegedly putting up the minister's poster. So viewers, what do you think about a public representative taking action against unauthorized posters even when they are put up by his own supporter? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.